clam.
Do you like the clams?
Clam. Clam. Clam.
How were you getting the clams before?
I like them.
You got them with the spoon. You were using the spoon to get them. Clams. You gonna try lobster?
Yeah.
You wanna try the lobster? Remember the things that you asked me where their heads were, where their eyes were?
What are them?
The tails, they're in the garbage now. I ate the meat.
And where's the face?
They're just lobster tails. They're not, you don't eat the face.
Where's the
You
face?
eat their claws. Where's
Eat the snappers.
the snappers, yes.
Don't eat them. You get hurt.
No, you take the shell off and then you eat the meat that's inside the snappers, the muscle. What makes the snapper snap?
Why?
Because the meat's good. Like I told you, you melt some butter and you got butter sauce and dip it in there and it's yummy. It's bigger than your mouth, dude.
Where's the clown?
Hmm. Did you find one? Careful.
I'm done.
You're done?
I'm okay. I'd save some for Daddy.
Oh yeah?
We'll come home and eat this.
Alrighty then.
And then maybe dump out this wall.
Okay. I love you.
Wait.
You go snuggle?